This is a tutorial on how to make a very simple tripwire mine for an airsoft or paintball game. I'm going to use party poppers, just your everyday party popper. These came from Pound Shop, and what you need to do is you need to get a sharp knife and carefully cut out the top section. So when you've cut out the top section, being very careful not to cut the gunpowder packet, you then need to get the gunpowder packet, and sometimes they just pull out like that one has, and sometimes you need to put the knife into the top of the popper and just widen up the hole like that one. So when you got your party popper, get a strong piece of cord or string. On the ones that I use fishing wire, but I can't remember where I've put my fishing wire, so I'm going to demonstrate with cotton, and I have one made already with fishing wire to show the final product. So you want to get a length of cotton, or well, fishing wire, and then you want to tie it around the fat bit of the popper, so the bit that goes bang with the gunpowder in. You want to tie that very well, securely, so that it won't slide off. And you also want to get a piece of fishing wire or string or whatever you're using, and you want to tie it very well onto the piece of string that goes into the part with the gunpowder in. So you tie that on well. You want to cut your piece of fishing wire or string to a good length so that you can set it up in doorways and so on and so forth of varying width. This is one that I made for my kit. It's got fishing wire. I've used the top of 2 party poppers to wrap the excess fishing wire around, so when I'm ready to use it I can just pull it off. As you can see, it's well secured at both ends. That's not going to come off. So you tie it to your door, and then when someone walks through it, they get blown up. So that is a cheap way to make a tripwire mine, Pyrotechnic, for an airsoft or paintball game, acting as a claymore or the such like for area kill. That's it.